CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is this stock a buy? This is going to be my plan for this video. You know, I'm the only guy in this world that has done 43,000 videos like this and has documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. And relatively speaking, if CRCL, because I've been pumping this thing so hard and now it's in this correction phase, I mean, I do have a video demonstration proof that at the time the price was sitting at $76. I'm on 77 a month ago, 6th of June. And since we started pumping, I've gotten like a break even, so it hasn't been just W's. And like for real, the only thing that I carry is a full candle close above 210 bucks. That is that swing that I'm waiting for. I mean, lower time frame, sure thing. We can just look for something like here and then buy if there is a shift or something, but randomly getting it low will just not be the way. It will just not be happening, to be very frank. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned with CRCL and want to get free emails and money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.